Hi, my name is Ciara and I'm from the brand My Lashes by Ciara. These are my own brand of magnetic lashes and I want to introduce you to them. So this is my packaging here and this is one of the styles that I have available out of 7. I've got 7 at the moment and I have another 2 coming soon. Just going to turn the pack around. It has some care instructions and it also has the website just listed here. So it's www.plushbeauty.ie and this is where you can buy the lashes if you like. They're $17.95. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take the lashes off and to re-put them back on. So the important thing with taking them off is they will come off as a piece. So at the moment I have some of the lashes on. These are kind of a mid-style, natural to a little bit long. And I'm going to show you how to take them off and separate them safely so that you don't damage the magnet. Once you don't damage the magnet, your lashes are good to go, okay? So I'm going to take this lash off now. It's really simple. You just peel it from the corner and your lashes are off. There's no pain and there's no glue involved. So together, this is the lash that they come together, the 2 pieces. And to safely separate them, I'm going to pop them in between my 2 fingers just like this. And I'm simply just going to slide. And once I slide, I've got the 2 pieces apart. The magnet hasn't been damaged, the lashes haven't been damaged, and you can reuse them again and you're good to go. So I'm going to show you now how easy they are to put on and that I can actually put these on in less than 30 seconds or 20 seconds. So I'm going to get a little mirror here and I'm going to pop these back on. So I have a little bit of mascara on, it helps with the grip. So I like to put one underneath and then put the other one on top. I just find it's much easier to do. So I'm going to start with putting one underneath and I'm going to close my eye fully. So there's a little magnet attached to that one and then there's also a little magnet attached to this one. So now I'm going to slide down. When I'm waiting to feel a little grip, which I've just felt, squeeze together, open my eyes and they're done. And that's how simple it is, and I think that was in under 20 seconds. It's really, really fast. And as I said, you can reuse them. The packaging is also environmentally friendly, which is really important these days. So the packaging is fully biodegradable because the little plastic on the front is made from biodegradable plastic. That's made from bamboo. So everything on this is biodegradable, which is great. There's a little insert that you take out and there's a little tray which is like a stainless steel. That's obviously not biodegradable, but you take that out so you can keep it. And then when you're throwing away your packaging, then that is going to be biodegradable. So you are helping the environment. The lashes are $17.95, which is really good value, and it means that you can use them over and over again, so it's just great value. So I hope to do another couple of videos to show you how easy they are and show you some of the other styles that I have available. So as I said, I'll put up the link, but you can get them on www.plushbeauty.ie. Thanks for watching. Bye.